So friends, to file ITR2, you need to visit incometax.gov.in. Then you need to click on the login button. Here you need to mention your either PAN or Aadhaar. Click on the continue button. Click on this checkbox and input your password here. If you don't remember your password, just click on the forget password, and after putting password, click on the continue button. Then your portal will look like this. Before filing ITR, friends, you need to check your AIS, TIS and Form 26AS. Apart from that, if you are having any share market income, then you need to calculate your long term or short term capital gain. Suppose total value of sale or total value of purchase, and you can claim the expenses except STT. Apart from STT, any expenses can be claimed. Now select assessment year 25-26, click online, click on the continue, start new filing, select individual, click on the continue, select ITR2 form, proceed with ITR2. Okay, let's get started. Now it will ask you to the reason why you are filing your ITR. If income is more than 3 lakh, click on this. If you don't know what to select, just click on the others and click on the continue button. Now come on the income. We are going to show salary income, your house property income, your capital gain, long term, short term, virtual digital assets, and every special rate income. So click on the continue button, click on the OK. Now part A, general information. Personal and contact will come automatically. Filing status before due date 139/1. Friends, if you are filing your ITR in new tax regime, click no. If you are going to file your ITR in old tax regime, you need to click on the yes. In old tax regime, you can take several deduction and exemptions. Residential status resident 182 days, and click no in most of the answer because they are not applicable to you. All the bank account need to add. At least one bank account should be added, nominated and validated. Click on confirm button. So after that, click on the schedule salary. If you are getting any on record income, you are having any form 16, then your salary will come automatically. Otherwise, click on the add another name and your nature of employer, like you are getting salary from state government, pensioner government. If you are not getting any pension, then need not to worry. If you are getting private pension, just click on the others, and salary breakup, click on the add another, click basic salary. Suppose you are getting 20,000 rupees per month, then 2,40,000 rupees you will be salary. You have to mention here, and then click on the save button. So after that, after 75,000 rupees standard deduction, your chargeable salary come here. Click on the confirm button. Your schedule salary has also been confirmed. Schedule house property, if you are having any rental income, click on this, click on the add another. Address of property, after that, who is the owner? Self. There are multiple owner? No. Type of it will be let out. Suppose if you are getting 1 lakh rupees rental income, so after 30% standard deduction, your rental income will be 70,000. Now you need to click on the save button. Here you need to input the tenant name as well. Just click on the add another, just mention the name of tenant and click on the save button. After clicking on confirm, your schedule house properties also get confirmed. Now schedule capital gain. Here you will get a message that if you are having any capital gain income, you need to mention in schedule F as well. So short term or long term capital gain, you need to calculate as per your broker report. If you are having any short term equity oriented mutual fund or shares, click on these, click on the add another. Now select 11A. If you have sold any shares before 23rd July, because tax rate was 15% and after that 20%. Now here you need to say input the sale value, here you input the purchase value, and here you input the expenses except the STT security transaction tax. So here friends, we have sold 1 lakh rupees share and we have purchased them in 90,000 and 1,000 rupees over expenses, and total capital gain will come 9,000 rupees. Now click on the save button. If you are having any short term capital gain from a debt mutual fund, then you need to mention here. Otherwise, your short term capital gain has been mentioned already. Now long term capital gain. Now if you are having any long term capital gain, now point number 4, STT paid 112A. Click on the edit button, view schedule 112, add another. Now when you have purchased your share after 31st Jan 2018, when you sold your share, If you sold before, then tax rate will be 10%, otherwise tax rate will be 12%. So we have sold our share after 23rd July. Now here you need to mention the full value of consideration, sale amount, cost of acquisition purchase amount, and any expenses. So friends, these value will come from your broker reports. 3 lakh rupees share we have purchased on 1,50,000 and 1,50,000 is our long term capital gain. Click on the save button. Now again click on the confirm button. So friends, our short term capital gain 9,000 and long term capital gain 1,50,000 rupees we need to mention below in table number 9. Here in table number F you need to click, and here you will get the detail. Suppose 20% long term capital gain and 12.5% long term capital gain, in which you can say quarter you have sold, you have to mention. If you don't know, better to mention in their starting quarter. So we have mentioned our short term capital gain and long term capital gain here. Now click on the confirm button. So our short term capital gain, long term capital gain get confirmed. If you have sold any cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, click on the schedule VDA. Again table F need to be mentioned. Click on the and add another. When you have purchased, date of sale, here the amount of sale and amount of purchase. After putting all the detail, just click on the save button. If you have many entries, just you can mention the consolidated amount. Now income from other source. Here you will find two type of income. One is normal rate income, second is special rate income. If any gaming income will come in special rate income. Normal income, click on the edit button. If you are having any other income, just click on the add another, mention the nature and amount of that income. And if you have any special rate income, click on the edit button. Suppose online winning or gaming income, you need to mention here. Now just click on the save button. Income from other source has been confirmed. Carry forward, brought forward, these losses need not to be mentioned. Special rate income will be shown here. Only tax calculation you can show here. Schedule 6A AMTC does not applicable to you. And after that you need to check the part B total income, how much income and how much tax you need to be pay. Just click on the part B total income. Here you can say salary, house property, capital gain, income from other source. All the income will be shown here. Just click on the confirm button. Now again part B TTI, total taxable income. Before going tax paid, you need to calculate how much tax you need to pay. Suppose if there is any tax payable, then you need to pay through self-assessment tax. We have already created a video. If there will be any refund, it will be shown here. Click on the confirm button. Taxes paid, any TDS deducted, TCS deducted will be shown here. Click on the confirm button. Click on the proceed to verification. Just click on this checkbox and you input the place. Click on the proceed to validation. If there will be any error, it will be shown here. Otherwise click on the preview button. So you can check the entire form. Click to validation. If there will still any error, it will be shown here. Otherwise your validation get successful. Proceed to verification. E-verify now. Continue. Aadhaar OTP. Click on the continue. I agree. Generate Aadhaar OTP. A 6-digit Aadhaar OTP will come. You need to mention and just submit. So congratulations, your ITR2 has been submitted successfully.